everyone, my name's Sarah Waldner and I'm the Senior Product Manager for the Monitor stage here at GitLab. Welcome to the Monitor team's 13.7 milestone kickoff. Our primary focus for the 13.7 milestone will be on something called on-call schedule management, which is a primary feature set of the incident management category. We'll be working on the MVC for this new feature set 13.7. A little bit of background. So these days, most businesses are becoming tech companies, meaning that they have some sort of SaaS service that they need to maintain 24/7. Maintaining and making the service available for customers who expect it to be available at all times of the day is a lot harder than it looks. This means that when there's an outage, either there's a disruption or something is fully unavailable, there needs to be a team or perhaps multiple teams that are ready to respond immediately. Being the person who is responsible for helping restore service outages is called being on call. When a team member is on call, they need to be available around the clock, depending on the schedule or how that team is set up. This is a really stressful job, and to help manage this stress and prevent burnout and fatigue within those operation teams, companies typically have a team of responders that are on call that rotate this responsibility. To manage this setup of work, to guarantee that someone's always available to answer an alert when it comes in, means that you need to have on-call calendar and schedule management tools. So that is what we're starting to build in 13.7. So for the MVC, we'll be enabling the creation of a single on-call schedule within the GitLab project. So be accessible via the left-hand main nav under operations. When you set up an on-call schedule in a project, you'll have the option to add multiple rotations to that schedule so that you can customize and create a schedule that fits how your team puts people on call. So what we're looking at here is a single schedule. We've called the dev on-call schedule. I've got the ability to edit and delete it. I've got the default 2-week view, and I can walk backwards by 2 weeks in either direction. What I see here is a single rotation called the critical rotation. And these are the team members that are on call, it appears for 3-day increments at a time for this particular rotation. I'll be able to create a single schedule in a project and have multiple rotations within that schedule for the MVC version of this feature set. If an alert does come into a GitLab project while someone is on call, that alert is going to send an email to that responder. And future milestones will be investing in different paging methods such as text and call. Thank you. Really excited for the 13.7 milestone.